Hey, Palmerettis. It is Wednesday, April 8th. You got one more day this week, Wednesday and Thursday, so one more day in this week. Then you got your Good Friday and a happy Easter. We're going to be dealing with science on Wednesday, April 8th, page 139 to 149. I'm going to attach some video links to this one. There is a whole lot of awesomeness out there to go through. Websites like nasa.gov, go into your ISN notebook. We wrote down some websites, stellarium.org. I gave you that International Space Station link. I'm going to attach some links here that you can watch. There's a really cool video about the space shuttle. That is awesome. So check that out. All right. We're going to tackle pages 139 to 149. Okay. So how does technology help us learn about space? So think about this. There's technology that we use to learn about space. We see some of it right here in this picture. This rover, right? See this little radar right here that they shoot out satellites so they can just communicate back on Earth. But we use technology to help us learn about space. How do we look at the moon, the planets, right, the stars? Well, we use a telescope. We get online. We've got our websites. We can go to the International Space Station and see video that they've sent. So there's cameras. There's all kinds of technology. What do you think it would be like to work in space? Just write down what you think, okay? All right? Any vocabulary you get, come back and list it here. You're going to read about early astronomers on page 140 and 141. Okay, they're going to be talking about, look at all these labels right here, all right, all these notes right here. A telescope is a tool that uses lenses to make faraway objects appear closer and larger. So by the 1600s, scientists knew that the sun was the center of the solar system. They had also observed 5 other planets with telescopes. Draw a diagram of an early solar system. So create your own solar system. What would it look like early on with just using 5 planets, right? And again, that the sun was the center of it. So the first thing you should draw is the sun in the center, and then show me some planets around it. Okay? Page 142, humans on the moon. I will attach a video there about that first landing. You can do the look yourself. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. That was Neil Armstrong. He didn't sound like that, but that's how it sounds in my head. But read about this. Space probes. Everybody say Sputnik. That was only as big as a beach ball. That's crazy. This is the Gemini 7 space capsule. Imagine you are an early NASA astronaut, early on, back at the beginning of this, right? Write a journal entry about one of your experiences in space. So imagine you're Buzz Aldrin or Neil Armstrong, okay? All right? Check that out, July 1969. I wasn't born yet, by the way. If you have any family members, grandparents, great-great-grandparents, great-grandparents that were alive, ask them. I'll ask them about that. Page 144 is about technology in space. The International Space Station is covered with solar panels. See these solar panels? We've talked about this too. What do you think they are used for? Ooh, well, solar panels. Solar, they absorb what? Aha, get on that one. The Hubble Space Telescope. Check that one out. I'll link another video for you. Think about what astronomers could view with early telescopes. How does it compare with what can be viewed with the Hubble Space Telescope? Give 3 examples. Okay, we're on Earth with the telescope looking out into space. The Hubble Space Telescope is out in space, orbiting, going around the Earth. It's already out there. What is going to be different about its pictures? Here you go. Florida's role in space. Ask your parents, your grandparents, great-grandparents about the space shuttle and their memories. We've talked about this in class 2. I'm going to attach a great video there, narrated by Captain James T. Kirk from Star Trek. His name is William Shatner. It's pretty cool about the Florida Space and Space Center. So read through this one, okay? I'm not too worried about this math, but if it takes the shuttle about 90 minutes to take a trip around the Earth, about how many trips can it make in a 24-hour hit, 1 hour, 6 minutes? Not too stressed about that one. I want you more to read about it. The Atlas IV rocket launches, the scientists build. Once we get cleared to travel, if you guys haven't been over to Kennedy Space Center, go on a Friday, stay until Sunday. It's a fantastic field trip. It's a fantastic place. It's near some beaches over there on the East Coast. So go and check it out. So Florida's role in space. Space technology in every home. Much of the technology used in our homes comes from the space program. These technologies are known as space spin-offs. So read here, why do you think astronauts cannot use a drill with a cord in space? Well, if I have a cord with it, what do I need? Okay, so just read through these and check these out. Now, as you get into that That's the last page of the day right there, 149. Now, a lot of your science is being answered, okay? Your science is being answered in my emails and in my texts and my replies to you. I'm not spending days to review the science, but if you make your corrections through the notes that I'm sending you, make those corrections. So, Wednesday science, page 139 to 149. I'd like that Thursday. If you don't get it in until Friday, that's fine. That's Friday the 10th, and then there's Saturday and Sunday Easter weekend. Find the time to get it done, guys. Find the time to get it done, all right? Stay in touch. Stay communicating with me. We'll talk to you later. Bye.